Okay, how you doing? I'm Dr. Bob Montes, and I want to take some time to talk to you a little bit about anxiety disorders and some of the problems that that children particularly are having. And this is applicable in some ways, or in many ways, actually, to adults who are dealing with anxiety. So there's some points that you could pick up on. Now, if you're a parent and you are listening to your child and they're exhibiting or expressing to you that they're anxious or they're upset about something, these could be like a variety of things. So for the smaller children, you're going to have issues that might reflect things like fear of death. They might have fear of the dark. They may see images at night. They may have fear of rainstorms or lightning storms. They may have concerns when it's, when something goes on. For example, if they've heard in the news that, some other nation is becoming, upset with the U.S. for some reason, and they're going to start a war with us. They start imagining some of the worst things that could ever happen. For teenagers, you kind of see a different look. A lot of them are more peer related. So teens may have anxiety over things to do with being in school. They're afraid of public spaces. Sometimes they're afraid of being around other students to be judged. So these are all different things that teens experience out. Public speaking fears. And again, we start to now trickle into what adults are dealing with as well. So there are some things that you can do to begin helping yourself or your child. And I want to take you through some steps to learn that a little bit better and maybe apply some of those principles in your own life. And if you're able to afford it, or you'd like to get help, you're more than welcome to come and to my office or to see a therapist for what you need to deal with in this area.